Hello, hello, hello. Mail call. So I got goodies today. Goodies that were expected, and one goodie that I didn't even know. I swear, I got it's that meme that I have that I posted on Facebook. I've ordered so much stuff that I don't know what is coming and what's going. And if a llama shows up at my doorstep, it is what it is. Well, I have no idea. This is from Amazon. I don't even know what it is because I've got some stuff that was on extended. So I have no idea. So anyway, we'll start. You know what? Let's start with mystery bag. I think we should start with mystery bag and figure out what it is. It might be interesting. It might be boring. I don't know. Oh, okay. It is interesting. And then this needed to not come. So I need to check the subscription. So yeah, are we all excited for the pheromones I get from my cats so they get along? However, this is more exciting. This is one of the things that I thought might be coming, and they're Easter eggs. They're little dies. They're, without a shadow of a doubt, came on the slow boat to China, I confess. But they were cute enough, and I was intrigued enough that I went ahead and ordered them. So here they are. So these are my little Easter eggs, and they scream shaker cards. So they're not, what the one of the eggs fits in the palm of my hand, but I've got 3 eggs with the bow and the little ribbon. And then this was more what I really wanted was I don't have a die that says Happy Easter. So now I do. Yay me. So we got that. So there is, I was wondering that box, serious, I could tell it was a little box that had me going, and I need to definitely check on that. So check on stuff when you order Amazon, you put it on subscription. It's on you to make sure. And I have more than I need right now because they keep sending it more often, faster than I can use them up. So I need to probably cancel that subscription. So there you go, moral of that story. Let's go on to something more interesting. Let's go see what Elizabeth Craft sent me. This is the sale. This is what I got from the sale that I alerted you guys last week. So she's really on it. Her mailman is efficient because it got here fast. I mean, what date I ordered? Let's see what this says. It is 3/4. So the date, it was the 4th. Guys, it's the 8th. And I already have them. So, and it came from Colorado, so it's not like it came from down the street. So, there you go. So, anyway, you don't care. Let's get to what you do care about. Look at the dies. So, I got Mr. Bunny. And I think I can't remember if I showed these to you when I did the preview when I did my sales thing last week. So, we got Mr. Bunny. Oh, look, he's so cute. So, I have little pieces to make Mr. Bunny. I have now the one to do the little chick. So, there we go, all the little body parts. We're going to do chick and the egg. So I have the cracked egg. I have now, before I had no eggs, now I think I have a plethora of Easter eggs. I don't need to order any more Easter egg dies, anything. Because here is the small one. Golly gee, does that, look who made a knockoff. I feel guilty now. We'll have to do something with that. But look, it is. Here it is. Here is the one of the dies. So it's like, oh my gosh. And I can't probably send it back. I just might. And look, this is the one I've been waiting for, the big one. Look at how big and pretty that is. We have the great big egg with the little die cut. So now I can make a big shaker card. I mean, with any of these can do, I'm looking slimline for these. So, wow, very cool, is it not? So we've got that. There are my dies. I'm really liking these. So this is our little why do I want to say Anna Griffin? No, Elizabeth Craft. So we will be creating something with those because I need to make Easter cards. 'Tis the season. And then this is my scrapbook.com. I don't remember if I said anything about this, but they did a flash sale. I want to suspect that I did not because those flash sales go really fast. And they did, I was able to watch, I just happened to catch the live on YouTube. Because again, guys, you're not the only ones that watch YouTube. I do too. Oh my goodness. Am I going to get this box open? But they came out with these pads, and they're A2s and slimline. So I went ahead and ordered some. So that's what it is in here. Look, and those pillow thingies. And then I went ahead and I ordered extras. So that's the paper I got. So it is I got 2 packages each of A2, 40 sheets each pad. And then 40 sheets of the slimline, and they were $9.99 for one of each. So I went ahead, and if one set was good, 2 was better, in my theory. So we got this. They're scrapbook.com cardstock. I've never use their cardstock. So I wanted to adventure and give it a whirl. Well, let's take off that one. That one came off really easy. Let me see. Can I pull this one off as easy? That way it'll make it easier to flip through this. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. That was really, really easy. So, oh my God, look at that. Look how bright. Can you guys see how bright that is? That's like, wow. That's like bright. Even, and I'm not a hot pink person, and I like that one. But we have blue, which I am. I'm a blue person. So again, these are the brights. Yeah, they are bright. Here's our green, yellow, orange, a more burnt orange, I guess. And here is some more pink, a little bit more pink. And another burnt orange. I mean, because I don't think any of these are red. I would not consider any of these red, but I suppose that might be what's passing for red. I don't know. I don't care, but I got these because I thought they would be perfect for Easter. So I have, this is A2 size. These are, so there's 5 sheets of each color, 4.25 by 5.5, and then I got a pad in the slimline, and it's going to be the same colors. Now let's see if I can get this. Oh my gosh, don't you wish that on other pads these stickers came off this easy? I swear they get a thank you card just because of that. But the same papers, same colors, but now in A2 size. And I'm already seeing people do it. Ryan Swift from Glitter Grunge Greetings has already did a reveal last week and used them up. But of course, he's also a designer for Scrapbook.com, so he gets it ahead of all of us. But still, so you might want to give him a look. But I have them here now. Oh my gosh, and I could smell it. As I did this, I got the smell of paper, and I swear this is from back in the days when I worked in a scrapbook store. My favorite thing to do was stick my nose in that box of paper. When it came in, that was my favorite thing. I love the smell of scrapbooking paper. Anyway, so we have our paper, we have our dies, we have our Contraband dies, which are not going to be unmentionable because I did not recognize them, and I think I ordered these way before I saw this. So now I feel very, very bad about that. So my suspicion is, actually it's not my suspicion, they're going to, I can do a return. So I'm going to send those back to Amazon and say yes, no, because that I feel slimy. I feel bad about that. But anyway, guys, otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to come back with you and do something, make pretty things with this paper and these dies. And so give me, you know, a minute or 5 to breathe, and I will do it. So hopefully you enjoyed this little quick, you know, mail reveal. If you want to see more of my madness, as always, go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell, and you know when I'm on. Meanwhile, as always, just take care of yourselves. Go out, be creative, make something beautiful, and don't forget, we're all a little mad here, so scrap that madness, okay? I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.